You call me crazy, as if my love for you is some wild thing, some untamed river that can't be understood, some storm that should be feared. You call me crazy, as if wanting to be near you every second of every day is a sin, as if feeling too much is a crime, as if caring too deeply is wrong. But maybe you don't see the way my heart holds you even when you are not near. Maybe you cannot feel how every thought, every breath, every fleeting moment is tied to you in ways that make sense only to me. You call me crazy, as if passion is dangerous, as if longing is foolish, as if devotion is something to laugh at instead of understand. But I am not crazy. I am alive. I am awake. I am feeling everything you sometimes refuse to notice. You call me crazy because I write your name in my mind like prayers that only I can hear, because I see you in places where no one else sees, because I dream of you even when the night is too dark to hold my hope. You call me crazy, but I call it love, a love so real that it burns even when unseen, a love so relentless that it survives even when pushed away, a love so true that it does not bend to judgment, to reason, to distance. You call me crazy because I cannot contain my feelings in the small boxes society builds for normal, because I cannot hide the way my soul reaches for yours, even when it hurts to do so, because I am not afraid to admit that my life revolves around the thought of you. You call me crazy, but what is crazy if not the refusal to see what is real, if not the denial of the heart that beats with honesty, even when the mind thinks it should be silent? You call me crazy, but I am not afraid to be this way, because every tear I have shed for you, every sleepless night, every whispered wish is proof that I am alive, that I feel, that I love. You call me crazy because you cannot measure the depth of a heart that knows it is destined to care for someone in ways that defy reason. But I will not apologize. I will not shrink. I will not stop. Because even if you call me crazy, even if the world calls me insane, even if everything around me says my love is too much, I know my heart is right. I know my soul is true. I know my love is real. You call me crazy, but maybe, just maybe, the real insanity is not to love this way, because I notice the little things that others overlook. The way your eyes flicker when you are nervous. The soft sighs you think no one hears. The pauses in your laughter that speak louder than words. You call me crazy because I remember everything, every word, every glance, every moment that you thought was too small to matter. But to me, they matter. They are the threads that weave my heart around yours. You call me crazy because I care too much, because I love too deeply, because I hope too often when the world has told me not to hope, because I believe in you even when you doubt yourself, because I see the light in you when darkness surrounds us both. You call me crazy, but do you know how lonely it is to feel so much and not be understood, to pour your soul into someone and have them laugh at the depth of your devotion, to hold on to a love that feels infinite while the world calls it folly? You call me crazy, and maybe I am crazy enough to wait through silence, crazy enough to forgive even when hurt, crazy enough to keep loving when logic says stop. But isn't that what love is? Isn't that the very essence of feeling fully, living fully, giving fully? You call me crazy, but I call it truth. The truth that my heart cannot lie. The truth that my soul cannot pretend. The truth that love is not safe, is not neat, is not small. You call me crazy because I am not afraid to show the world everything I feel, because I refuse to hide my heart behind walls of reason, behind masks of indifference, behind fear of judgment. You call me crazy, but I am proud of it. Proud to love like this, proud